Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick first impression of the new Huda Beauty eyeliner. I actually used the eyeliner to line my lids in this video, and I also applied the lashes that came with the collection or packaging as well. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure this is everywhere on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, I'm just going to show you that. The first item in the box is actually the eyeliner, which is called the Lifeliner, and it also comes with very Vanta extreme black is what the packaging looks like. If you open the side, you see the eyeliner right there, and if you also open this side, you see the liquid liner right there. So I'm just going to quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about it so far. So for the eyeliner, which I used to line my waterline, very black as well, and it's soft, it applies smoothly as well. So you really don't need to apply a lot. I just went on once or twice and I got the look that I am wearing right now. As for the liquid liner, I think this formula is quite different from what I've tried so far. I think the formulation of the eyeliner that I've tried so far has actually been liquid, but there's something about this one that makes it different from what I've tried so far. I don't know if it's just me or maybe it's just, you know, how I feel about this eyeliner so far, but it has this creamy feel to it, unlike the eyeliners that I've, you know, tried in the past. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm going to show you guys what I mean. I don't know why the camera is not picking that up. Look at that, it's very black. But apart from the fact that it's really black, another thing that I noticed about this is the fact that it has a creamy formulation to it. I don't know if it's just me or maybe not, because most of the eyeliner that I've tried in the past is always like, you know, water based, but this is not water based in my opinion. This is like cream based. I like the applicator a lot. You only need to dip it in once and you're good to go. Like if you bring it out now, you can line your whole eye without having to dip it back in to, you know, get the product out. You just need to put it once and, you know, you're good to go, like applying your eyeliner once. That for me is A+ in my opinion. It's a no-brainer, like seriously. So yeah, another thing that I like about this is the fact that the packaging is really cute and travel friendly. Obviously, another thing that I like about this liner is the fact that the packaging is really cute. Application for both products, it's quite easy. The formulation is also amazing in my opinion. I'm only trying this for the first time, so I'm not quite sure about the longevity, so I'll be wearing this for a while and I'll definitely share my opinion about the eyeliner with you guys, maybe in the future or maybe soon or in my next video. But so far so good. I really quite like the eyeliner. I like the packaging and I like the consistency of the product, and I like the fact that a little goes a long way. I don't need to keep dipping in the brush to get products out of the packaging, so that for me, I am a fan. Number 23 is called Lenti. I'm sure you guys empty package. That's what I'm wearing right now. What do you guys think? I like the fact that it's quite flirty and it's not too long, not too short. I also like the fact that you can wear it with any makeup look, so you can go with smoky high, natural high look. I really like this a lot because I believe it's going to work with any makeup look you know, pair it with, whether smoky eye look or everyday makeup look. I really quite like it. It's quite lengthy and at the same time it's very flirty as well. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, but this eyelashes will definitely go with any look in my opinion. And also, this is the last but not the least product in the packaging. I've not tried this and I've not opened this before. I'm just bringing it out for the first time. So this is what the back of the packaging looks like, and this is what the front looks like. I'm not sure why the camera is not focusing or picking this up, but yeah, it's called OMG Huda Beauty Makeup Remover Balm, and yeah, I'm just gonna open that and let's see what this looks like. This is what it looks like. It's actually light pink. Ooh, I can't smell anything. It's so creamy. Wow. I'm trying to use that to take away the eyeliner. The eyeliner is not budging. I don't know how you're going to take this off from your face, because although I actually applied a little bit, because this is really creamy guys, really creamy. Yes, it's doing the job now. This is really creamy. I only applied just tiny bit of that on at the back of my hand, and it works like magic. Look at that. I'm going to use that to try and clean the lipstick. at the back of my hand, and let's see if that works as well. Whoa, it did work, guys. Look at that, it did work. This is really really creamy, and you don't need a lot because I actually applied just tiny bit on the back of on my hand, and it works magic. Look at that. You can tell I lightly touched the product, so you don't need a lot of this product at all. You only need to touch it once, and like that you're good to go. Look at that. It's very very creamy and very lightweight as well. A little goes a long way, so this will definitely last you a lifetime. I'm joking, but yeah, you don't need a lot. Those are the 3 products in the box, and yeah, so far so good. I quite like the eyeliner. Yeah, they're both eyeliners, right? Yeah, but so far so good. I like the eyeliners. I've not tried how long they're going to last on my lids, so I can't really say anything about that right now, but I'll definitely be using products in my upcoming videos, so I'll be able to give you guys an in-depth review about them. But so far so good. This is just my first impression about the products that I received from Huda Beauty, and these are all based on my opinion so far. That's my thoughts about this product so far. I'll leave the details of the products in the description box below. Please feel free to check out our website or Sephora or anywhere that sells Huda Beauty. So good. I am a huge fan, and I'll definitely recommend that you guys check it out and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this simple makeup look, but first I'm going to go into details of the eyeliner with you guys. So yeah, the first thing that I noticed about the eyeliner that I really like a lot is the fact that you don't need to keep dipping the brush in to get the product. You only need to dip it in once and you'll be able to line your eyes with that without having to dig it in, digging out, digging in, digging out, which is really quite tiring sometimes. So but with this eyeliner you don't need that at all. I'm going to show you guys what I mean if I didn't explain that well enough. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. As you can tell, it comes with an eyelashes as well, which is what I was wearing in this video. That's what the packaging looks like. I only did that in once and I was able to line my eyes without having to dig it in again, if that makes sense. I'm quite impressed with that, and as you can tell, the brush is really really nice as well, so it makes it easier for you to apply the eyeliner as well. So especially if you're a beginner at lining your eyes or winging it, then this would be a very good one for you. And also in terms of the longevity, this is my 3rd time using it, because I've also filmed 2 other videos after this one for you guys after doing this review, and I'm currently wearing it as well. So for the day that I actually filmed this video, I actually wore my makeup for about 12 hours because I filmed this video as early as 8 a.m. and around that 9 p.m. 10ish I checked the eyeliner again, and I'm quite surprised that it was still in place, like it was still intact. I was shook, like I kept checking, like seriously, this is not budging, this is going nowhere. And in terms of my waterline, it's like it felt the same with if you have this MAC smolder waterline, the one for my waterline, so if you have that, you definitely like this as well, because that it's my favorite eyeliner to line my waterline and the tri one. But this is amazing, like amazing. It lasted all day guys. So I had to take it off using the OMG Huda Beauty makeup remover. That one is super super creamy guys, super creamy. I love it, I love it. It made it easy to take off the eyeliner, but if you use your normal makeup remover, it's not going anywhere. Like seriously. So both of them are like match made from heaven. I mean, the makeup remover and the eyeliner as well, because the eyeliner is waterproofed, like proper waterproof. So I'm quite impressed. Thank you guys for watching.